Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and you know your passcode and Apple ID because changes require authentication. Once done, open Settings and tap Screen Time. This is where Downtime controls live. Next, if screen time is off, turn it on and set a screen time passcode if desired. That prevents accidental changes. Make sure to note whether family sharing is active, since child devices inherit settings. This affects the next steps you'll take. Now you remove downtime. In screen time, tap downtime and toggle it off to stop restrictions instantly. If you prefer to modify instead, choose customize days and set start and end times. This gives finer control for specific days. Remember, allowed apps remain available during downtime, so edit them if needed. If family sharing applies, go to the child's screen time settings and repeat these changes. Otherwise, parental controls will persist. Make sure to authenticate. Finish by restarting your iPhone so the system applies new screen time rules cleanly. This often resolves lingering blocks. If downtime still appears, verify you entered the correct screen time passcode and confirm iCloud Sync is enabled. Settings can conflict across devices. As a last resort, use settings right arrow general right arrow reset all settings, but back up first because this restores defaults. If you hit a passcode lockout, contact Apple support. They can guide secure recovery without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.